Jai Srimanarayana. Fourth sloka of 17th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yajante Satvika Devan Yaksharakshamsi Rajasaha Pretan Bhutaganamscha Anye Yajante Tamasa Janaha. Om. Realize and always remember that you will be left with supreme joy and very gentle satisfaction if you worship, if you do aradhana to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Keep on putting effort to make sure you are inclined towards doing aradhana of Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall realize and always remember that if I do aradhana to you, I will be left with very gentle satisfaction and unlimited joy. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall start putting effort to make sure I am slowly getting inclined towards you. Ho Srimanarayana, I surrender to you. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamruta sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamανupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Om Haraye Namaha. శ్రీమద్భాగవతము దశమస్కంధము 10th స్కంధం 336th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Sri Krishna Paramatma, he is doing his Venuganam in Brundaranyam and captivating the entire world. Brahma Gandharva Geetambu Paragachese Jatura Natamurti Gopala Chakravarti. Sri Krishna Paramatma, while playing his beautiful fingers on the holes of flute, he is now doing such a wonderful Venuganam and Samaveda Ganam Brahma Gandharva Geetam he is playing. Iti Venuravam Rajan Sarvabhuta Manoharam Sutva Vajastriyaha Sarvaha Varnayantiyaha Abhire Bhire. Krishna Paramatma's Venuganam captivating hearts and minds of all living beings. And now Gopikas heard such beautiful melodious Venuganam. Immediately in the trance, those Gopikas started hugging each other and now describing, praising and talking about the great qualities of Sri Krishna Paramatma. Sravanodanchita karnakara munato swarnabhachelambuto Navatam Sagita Keka Pinchamunato Namboja Damambuto. And talking to each other Gopikas about Krishna Paramatma like this, "Ho Sakhi, oh my dear friend, did you get to see Krishna? How beautiful he is looking. He is wearing some flowers in his ears. He is wearing such a beautiful gold color, effulgent garments. He is putting some peacock feathers in his beautiful black curly glowing hair. With all that, he is looking so beautiful, so handsome. He is also wearing some garlands. And with all that handsomeness, beautiness, innocent, Krishna Paramatma now gazing all the cows. Did you get to see, my dear friend? Akshanvatam phalamidam na param vidamaha. Oh, my dear friend Gopika, for us we have eyes. The very purpose of eyes will be served only if we get to see Krishna Paramatma. Let us enjoy Krishna Paramatma's darshanam. Krishna Paramatma, who is accompanied with Balarama and other friends, he is showering his graceful vision on all of us. Like that, Gopikas talking about Krishna. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 17th chapter, 4th sloka. Yajante satvika devan yaksharakshamsi rajasaha pretan bhutaganamschanye yajante tamasa janaha. Yajante satvika devan yaksharakshamsi rajasaha pretan bhutaganamschanye యజంతే తామసా జనాః. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.